Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. I'm just going to do a quick follow-up video here. I may add a little more content to this video, but we'll see as the video goes. Finally got the differentials buttoned up. Well, I've gotten it done about 2 weeks ago, but I just didn't have a time to make a video. It wasn't too bad to do, but it was a little bit of a pain. Kind of prefacing what happened is the first set of differential ring and pinion gears I put in with the Eaton True Track, the pinion nut for the flange had started to back off. I mistakenly used the old pinion nut, and it had started to back off, so the pinion preload had loosened up, so the pinion was kind of slopping back and forth where, if you were put torque to the pinion one way, it would, start to drive the pinion shaft out, and if you went the other way, it would pull it back in, which started to lead to wear on my seals for the differential and and also the tail on the transmission. That seal was starting to leak. So, got back under here and pulled the differential back out and did the gears, and as you can see, it's all bolted together. I don't know what you guys' opinions of this are. I have the OEM diff cover on there, and I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it's aluminum. I polished it up and made it look pretty good. But I'm thinking about getting one of those differential covers, the thick aluminum covers with the webbing in them, and the bolts, the load bolts for the end, for the caps on the differential, to help take some of the load off of the caps and the bearings. And I don't know if any of you guys have done it, what your thoughts are on that. If you like to comment below, it'd be great. I may do that. I just have standard gear oil in the differential right now. That's another thing I wasn't, I sort of knew about, but it seems to be fairly important, so it's something you should do. There's about a 500-mile break-in period with these differential ring and pinion gears that you should follow. There wasn't any in the box, but I was on YouTube and checked out a couple of websites, and pretty much everybody recommends you run them through like a 15-minute cycle, the first 3 times, 4 times, no hard acceleration, no highway driving, just some stop and go. I've done that. Now I'm to the point now where I can do some highway driving speeds with the car. So I am doing that, and I'm happy to say there is, as you can see, no leaks out of the rear of the differential. I used the gasket on this. Have 355s in here now. I did have like 327, so I did step it up just a little bit. I'm not expecting a big difference. I just decided the 355 was a little better gear to go with. Anyway, that's where I'm at with the differential now. It's done. When I change the gear oil out, I'm thinking about putting synthetic in. I don't know if it's really worth it. It's something else if you guys care to comment on below. Appreciate your comments. I may go with the synthetic oil and a differential cover, with the load bearing cap bolts in it. I don't know if you guys have any recommendations which ones to get. Amazon has some that are fairly reasonable, and then you get the ones stamped with Ford Racing or B&M, and of course they're several $100s or more. So I don't really know if they're really worth that much more money. I'm not looking for a lot more capacity. A little more capacity in the diff would be fine, but I'm not looking for 3 quarts of differential oil in here. I don't think it's needed. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video. Like I said, I may tack another video on to this concerning the motor and where I'm at with that. I do have the nitrous system in. It's ready to spray, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do it now. You'll see if I add it into the video here why. Anyway, guys, thanks for looking. I appreciate it. and have a good day.